Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll be talking about why your washer makes a grinding noise and how to fix it. Let's get started. Your washer makes this grinding noise because you have a stuck object somewhere in the washer. Foreign items can get stuck in your washer, which causes it to make an annoying grinding noise. Some common places where objects can get stuck inside include in the seal between the drum and the door, the drum, and the heater. Thoroughly inspect these areas while observing safety measures to remove any foreign item lodged in the washer. A worn-out drive belt can also cause the grinding noise. The drive belt is prone to wear and tear over time. It hinders the washer from moving freely, hence the grinding noise. To fix this, unplug the washer from the socket and remove the back panel to access the drive belt. Inspect the drive belt for damage. Replace a worn-out drive belt with a new one. Reassemble the machine and test it. Look out for worn-out bearings. Washer bearings are located in the washer, exposing them to water, which makes them prone to rusting. Therefore, if your washer makes a grinding noise, you should inspect the drum bearings. If damaged, replace them with new ones. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Till next time.